Hi, today we're going to learn about nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. A noun is anything you can experience with your five senses. And our five senses are you can see, hear, smell, touch, taste, or it can be an idea. A cat is a thing, so the word cat is a noun. You can hear music, so the word music is a noun. She says, I love to listen to music. A boy is a person, so the word boy is a noun. Freedom is an idea. The word freedom is a noun. A park is a place, so the word park is a noun. A lady is a person, so the word lady is a noun. Bravery is an idea. The word bravery is a noun. A city is a place, so the word city is a noun. Nouns are person, it could be a place, a thing, or an idea. A car is a thing, so the word car is a noun. Everything you can see, just about everything you can see, is a noun. So let's look at this picture. I can see lots of things. I'm going to give you just a minute to look at the picture and see if you can name some things you can see. How many things did you see? Let's see what we can come up with. I see a house. House is a noun. I see trees, a fence, a walkway, windows, grass, the sun, and a roof. Even a door. All of these are nouns. They're things you can see. You might even be able to find more. Now we're going to look at some sentences. When words are come together, when we put words together, it makes a sentence. I'm going to read the sentence at the top and we're going to listen for nouns. Mom went to the store to buy some milk. Let's think. Let's see. Mom is a person. That makes it a noun. Store is a place, so it's a noun. And milk. Milk's a thing. It's a noun. The next sentence says, Beth checked out books from the library. Well, Beth is a person, so that's a noun. She checked out books from the library. Books are things. And library is a place. So they are all nouns. The next sentence says, Bailey got a new puppy for her birthday. Bailey is someone's name, so they're a person. That makes it a noun. Got a new puppy. I bet puppy is a noun. It's an animal, person, place, or thing. Could be a thing or animal. For her birthday. Birthday is a noun. The next sentence says the boy dropped a plate on the floor. A boy is a noun. Plate is a noun. And the floor is a noun. The last sentence. I saw my teacher at the fair. Teacher is a noun. And fair is a noun. Now we're going to look at some words and we're going to sort these words. In one side we have nouns And on the other side, we have not nouns. But at the top, there's some words. I'm going to read those words and we'll decide whether that's a noun or not a noun. The first one is home. Home. I'll think about it. Is it a person? Is it a place? Is it a thing? Well, home is a place. So that's a noun. The next word is keep. Is keep a person, a place, or a thing? No, it's not. That's not a noun. The next word is pretty. Pretty, is that a person, a place, or a thing? No, that's not a noun. The next word is mother. Mother, is mother a person, a place, or a thing? It's a person, right? So that makes mother a noun. The next word is farmer. Farmer. Let's think about nouns. Nouns can be a person, a place, or a thing. A farmer is a person. That makes farmer a noun. Number 6 says tell. Tell. That's not a person. It's not a place. It's not a thing, so that is not a noun. Number 7 says hot. Hot. It's not a person. What about a place? No. Or a thing? Well, nope, it's not. That is not a noun. Number 8 says book. Is book a person, a place, or a thing? Yeah, a book is a thing. So that makes it a noun. Peace. Oh, this is one of those trickier ones, I think. So let's think. We were asking if it was a person, place, or thing, but sometimes we said a noun could be an idea. And peace is kind of like an idea. It's not a person, place, or thing, but it falls under that part where we said it could be an idea. So peace is a noun. It's an idea. Number 10 says girl. Girl is a person. So yeah, person, place, or thing, that gets to be a noun. Eat. A person, place, or thing, or an idea. Eat. No, that is not a noun. Could. Could. That's not a person, or a place, or a thing. That is not a noun. Number 13 is make. Make. Person, place, or thing? Nope. School. Hey, school. Is that a person? No. A place? Yes. School is a noun. Number 15 says give. Person, place, thing? Nope. That is not a noun. And the last one is singer. Singer is a person that sings, right? So a person, place, or thing. Singer would be a noun. Great job. Thank you so much for helping me sort these nouns. Now you're going to have a turn to work on nouns this week through some activities that we'll send your way.